Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a credit card via Bright. Applying for a credit card through Bright is fast, secure, and completely digital. Open the Bright app and sign into your account. Once you're in, from the main dashboard, tap on Credits, or you could just look for a button that's labeled Apply for Credit Card. You're going to see a list of available credit card options that are tailored to your financial profile. These may include cards with low interest, cashback, travel perks, or balance transfer benefits. Tap on a card to view detailed information like the APR, credit limits, fees, and rewards. Once you've chosen a card, tap Apply Now. You're going to be asked to provide some basic information such as your income, employment status, and housing details. Review your application summary carefully if everything looks correct, and then tap Submit. Bright will run a soft or hard credit check depending on the card issuer's policy. You're going to receive an instant decision or get notified within a few business days. After approval, your digital card will be ready in the app. The physical card will be mailed to your registered address. If this walkthrough helped you apply for a new card, remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next Bright tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.